All right, this horrible mess is the orange juice restoration that I started a week ago. We're going to see what happened. I usually change it out after a day or two, but I've been gone. I took the liberty of taking a fork and scraping off a giant, thick, fuzzy layer. Let's put it into my strainer here. We're on the tripod, but it's in my hands. Let's see what we got with a little bit of water. See if it cleaned it up any. Okay. Whoops, that's what happens when you turn it the wrong way. Let's see what we got here. I'm starting to see some shiny stuff in here. This railroad spike's turning gray. This is gonna need more work. The little C-clamps are still froze up. Some of this stuff may have just been too far gone. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash these off with soapy water, wash out my nasty little tub, and then we're gonna try something different. Old tomato juice. I've seen people polish and clean stuff with ketchup. We're gonna see what tomato juice does. This little file is gonna work out pretty good, I think. I'll be back with y'all with this project next time.